Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. Ah! Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Hello everyone, Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh, no. We've frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here.
Construction sites are dangerous.
Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel.
We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh!
Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max?
Oh, Eric's made a bridge. Oh, 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 oh. The concrete's almost set.
Go, Max, go!
Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye!
I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's carry the bus's service today. Can you handle that, mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh?
Looks like the mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone. Come on, mechanicals. We have Fiona fire truck in today.
Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, frog?
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's garage. Bye!
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gecko's garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me. Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye! You're right, Green. There's a fire.
It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way.
Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud Neenor sound. All done. Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Neenor. That was a Neenor, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Nino. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's garage. It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong. Mummy Truck saved the day. I'd better call Eric the Excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's garage. Welcome back to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. utility tow truck. It's Eric, the excavator. I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar track. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach. And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck. Hup. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, Baby Truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it! Here you go, Baby Truck. All's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage.
Oh, hey there everyone! Vicky the ice cream truck is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. Yellow! Don't touch that button! Phew! Thanks, mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone. Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh, no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon